Good morning, fifth graders. So nice to see you. You guys are doing great this week, so keep up the good work. I know some stuff is getting tricky, but I know there's also a routine, and I see you guys thriving, so you're doing great. Keep it up. Today, if you notice on the agenda for math, it's something different. It's not Raz Kids, it's not Khan Academy, it's not Reflex, it's not Raz Kids because Raz Kids is reading, but you get the idea. Today in math, you're going to do just a short 5-question division check-in. Now, don't panic. It's nothing like you've seen on Khan Academy. It's just a long division that you and I had practiced together before we even went in quarantine. So you should be just fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3 problem videos, 3 different videos, separate 3 different problems. The first problem is going to be a division problem with a 1-digit divisor. Remember, the divisor is the number that's on the outside, or how many groups you want, how many you're dividing into. The second problem is going to have a 2-digit divisor. And then the third problem, I am going to throw in a dividend, which is the number on the inside of the house. A dividend that has a decimal in it, just so we can kind of see the process and where Khan Academy is taking you, but in more specific steps. But as long as you get the decimal division problem I'm going to do today, which is the third one, you'll be just fine. So don't panic. You guys are doing great. Can't wait to see you do well on this quiz.